Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 28th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, I'm hoping that we had the end of a crescent. I'm hoping this is a top on the daily, and then we had the end of a WXY right here, impulsive down, at the end of an ABC right here, impulsive down, and then the other end of an ABC right here. So if this is true, then this needs to continue to downtrend. It needs to make lower lows, lower highs on this 4-hour time frame. So that's great news for us because that should give us a primary direction at least over the next couple of days. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short now. I mean, this definitely could be an area of support. I also wouldn't be going long right now. I had to pull a phrase from my mentor's book and say that right now the only strategy is to be short already from the end of a crescent yesterday, or maybe the end of a crescent on the shorter time frames today, or the strategy is to be patiently waiting for a pullback in order to go short again. The trend is down on the weekly, the trend is down on the daily. We possibly have the end of a crescent on the 4-hour. We definitely don't want to be fighting this trend, especially if we really are at a wave three, which it looks like we possibly could be. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.